Hello everyone, my name is Eliza Trendiak and I'm the owner of Artel Salon. Just 5 years ago, I was working behind the chair making mediocre money. I knew that I wanted to take my business to the next level. I started implementing business strategies that helped me grow my business from $50,000 to $80,000 to over $100,000 in service sales a year. I want to share with you my secrets to success in how to become a $100,000 stylist. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is practical business strategies that you can start implementing today to take your business to the next level. The quality of your work is important. Your social media presence is important. And yes, even your followers may be important. But there is nothing more important than understanding the basic business building skills that's going to take your career to the next level. In today's day and age, stylists are having to do more than ever before. Not only are you a hairstylist, you're also a photographer, a videographer, a marketer, a networker, and yes, sometimes even your own accountant. The industry is moving faster than ever before, and if you don't have some basic strategies on how to achieve your goals, you're never going to get there. This is why we're creating a program called The Complete Stylist, where you will learn to rock the marketing game, take amazing photos, up your business skills, and create incredible hair behind the chair. But today, I want to give you one of my fundamental secrets of huge growth absolutely free. First and foremost, you need a crystal clear target. What is it that you want to accomplish? How much money do you want to make in a year? If you don't have a crystal clear target on what that number is, how will you ever know if your efforts are making a difference? I'm going to show you how to break down this goal into bite-sized, achievable steps so that you can quickly and effectively reach the numbers that you want to get to. First and foremost, you need to commit your target to paper. Physically write it down. Don't just think about it or put it in your phone. Studies have shown that goals are 42% more likely to be achieved if they're physically committed to paper. This can feel scary and vulnerable. A lot of times as stylists, we don't believe that we deserve to be making the money that we want to. But writing it down is the first step in overcoming that fear and getting to where you want to go in your career. This step can feel scary and vulnerable because a lot of times as stylists, we don't feel like we deserve to be making big money. But simply writing down your dream yearly income is the first step to achieving huge growth in your business. So take that number and divide it by the number of months that you're going to work in the year. On average, most stylists take 2 weeks of vacation a year, so you're working 11.5 months. Take your number, divide it by 11.5, and that's going to be your new monthly goal. In my example, my goal was $80,000 a year. So I took $80,000 and divided it by 11.5 months and figured out that my monthly goal was $6,956.52 per month. Now that we have your monthly goal, let's break this down even further. We want to figure out exactly how much you need to make per week to hit your dream income. The average month has 4.3 weeks in it. So take your monthly goal and divide it by 4.3. In my example, I figured out that my weekly goal was $1,617.79 per week. Suddenly, your goal is feeling much more achievable, isn't it? Finally, you want to figure out what your daily goal is. So take your weekly sales goal and divide it by the number of days you work behind the chair. When I first started using this example, I was working 5 days behind the chair. So I took my weekly goal, divided it by 5 days, and figured out that each day I had to make $323.55 in order to hit $80,000 in a year. Sounds doable, right? Because it is. If you can take your dream income and divide it down and figure out exactly what you need to bring in on a daily basis, your goal is going to seem so much more achievable. This is the exact formula that I used to grow my business from $50,000 to $80,000 in the first year. In the second year of implementing this, I made over $100,000 and reduced the days I worked behind the chair to 4 days a week. You're probably thinking, what next? The next thing you're gonna wanna do is write down these goals in a place that you'll see every single day, whether it's in your day planner, on your bathroom mirror, or maybe in your locker at work. Visualizing your daily goal is going to help you get into the mindset to start achieving it. This is why we've created for you our clear target worksheet for you to calculate your personal pathway to success. Simply input the values and it will help you calculate exactly what your daily goals are based on the months and days you want to work in a year. Next, I want to show you how you can start hitting your daily goal quickly and effectively through our program called the Complete Stylist at Artel Academy. So make sure that you sign up for our newsletters so that you'll be the first to know when new courses are launching. Thank you so much for watching. We'd love to hear from you if you have any success stories, questions, or comments, and we're so excited to create more courses like this one to help you guys succeed and become the complete stylist.